kita sekarang lagi berada di salah satu ini apa tuh?
The club isn't the best place to find the lovers, so the bar is where I go. Me and my friends at the table doing shots, tripping fast, and then we talk slow. And you come over and start up a conversation with just me, and trust me, I'll give it a chance. Now take my hand, stop it, and the man on the jukebox, and then we start to dance. And now I'm singing like, girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me. Say, boy, let's not talk too much. Grab on my waist and put that body on me. Come on now, follow my lead. Come on now, follow my lead. I'm in love with the shape of you. We push and pull like a magnet do. Although my heart is falling too. I'm in love with your body. And last night you were in my room. And now my bedsheets smell like you. Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love with your body. I'm in love with your body. I'm in love with every breath that I take. I want you to share that air with me. There's no promise that I won't keep. I climb a mountain that's none too steep. When it comes to you, there's no crime. Let's take both of our souls and intertwine. When it comes to you, don't be blind. Watch me speak from my heart. When it comes to you, comes to you. Want you to share that.
Halo guys, kita sekarang lagi berada di salah satu ini apa tuh? Salah satu Brayun, yaitu salah satu wisata alam yang dikenal dengan wisata yang sangat menakjubkan. Ini kalian lihat nih kan? Kan itu kan? Nampak kan? Tuh, kan? Mungkin kan? Itu adalah satu itu tempat nelayan kayu. Kami berada lagi high juga. Ini kami pernah jomblo, ya kan? Ini pernah jomblo. Tapi yang lagi-lagi yang pernah habis. Satu kali be. Tuh kalian lihat kan? Kan? Tuh kan? Tuh pasti kan? Ini pernah jomblo nih. Orang, nih pernah jomblo. Kalian siapa? Jomblo kan? Lihat orang-orang yang bawa macam tu potong ke komplek tu. Tak pernah sesuai dah. Kan apalagi ini apa tu kalau naik perahu kedua ada itu. Ya. Katakan apa tu di pulau apa tu kan? Di pulau both of our souls and intertwine when it comes to you. Don't be blind. Watch me speak from my heart when it comes to you. Comes to you. No limit in the sky that I won't fly for you. No amount of tears in my eyes that I won't cry for you. Oh no, with every breath that I take, I want you to share that air with me. There's no promise that I won't keep. Lagi kan, ini vlog kami yang kedua. Kami sekarang lagi berada di salah satu yaitu pemandangan alam yang ada di Bayun Banda Aceh ya. Bayun. Wisata kuliner.
Tak makan bodoh.
Begitulah sedikit gorengan-gorengan, kan? Yang di belakang. Yang di belakang itu tukang koko jomblang kami bawa sini biar dia ada lepah-lepah kan. Ya kan?
Aku lagi bau.
Menarik lah. Jangan lupa di like and subscribe ya. Like and comment di bawah. Oke dadah guys. Sampai ketemu di vlog yang ke depan. Klik Gito channel.
Open up your mind, clear your head. Ain't gotta wake up to an empty bed. Share my life, it's yours to keep. Now that I give to you all of me. When it comes to you, there's no crime. Let's take both of our souls and